The biggest fear of any trader is losing their deposit. To minimize this risk, you need to follow some simple and straightforward money management rules. What is money management, and how does it work in practice? We'll tell you in this video. Money management for trading is a system of simple rules that help the trader conclude trades more efficiently. In other words, to make a profit with minimal risk. The main principles of money management were formed in the 20th century by famous mathematicians, economists, and financiers. Money management is especially useful for novice traders. It helps you quickly learn how to manage your capital and make a profit despite making mistakes. Money management will help you trade more carefully and with better focus, spend less time doing calculations, respond faster to changes, minimize the likelihood of errors, and finally, manage your capital more confidently and safely. How and why this happens? Let's go over this right now using specific examples and rules of money management. Fixed management. Ethan and Raj made the same trades but using different amounts. Ethan traded spontaneously, while Raj was guided by the principles of money management. In the end, Ethan lost his deposit, but Raj earned a profit. Raj enters all his trades throughout the day using the same amount. Regardless of his account balance, whether it's $10 or $1,000, he always does that. This principle of money management is called fixed management. It includes two rules. Let's discuss them. Rule number 1. Fix your trade amount for the day. Conduct all your trades throughout the day using the same amount. The most important thing is to calculate your trade amount at the beginning of the day so that your balance will be safe. We recommend calculating it according to the table that is currently in front of you. If Ethan's account balance is $50, that means the amount of each of his trades for today should not exceed $5. For example, $3. Raj has $250 in his account today, so he can make trades of up to $10 each. For example, $8. When the amount is fixed, you don't get distracted by making calculations and setting parameters before each trade. Rule number 2. Fix the amount of potential loss you are willing to accept. Decide at the beginning of the day how much you are willing to lose that day if your trading doesn't go as planned. When that number is reached, stop trading until another day. Use this table to calculate your most optimal amount of loss. Since Ethan has $50 in his account, he should stop trading if he loses $20 or more today. He has already made 7 trades for $5 each today. 2 of them were successful, and 5 were unsuccessful. Ethan has already lost $18 from his account today. If Ethan now loses another $5, he will have to end his trading for the day. But this trade closed successfully, which means Ethan can continue working. We've discussed fixed management, one of the basic principles of money management. To follow it, you need to plan your business day, calculate and fix amounts for all of your trades and your acceptable potential loss. This will help you trade more efficiently. There are also more advanced money management systems. In the other videos on our channel, we will try to tell you about these systems just as simply and clearly. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to learn more about trading and not miss any new material. We wish you successful trading.